It wasn't product knowledge or even sales skills that helped me achieve success. It was my belief system. Before I became Salesperson of the Year, I had to believe that Wesleyne could do it. I had to believe that she was a good salesperson. We don't have a sales skills gap. We have a belief problem. I remember anxiously handing my mom a social studies test where I scored an 89. I was rationalizing within myself that an 89 is almost an A, so maybe it was okay. She looked at the paper and said, "That's not good enough. You need to try harder next time." Try harder? I knew I put more hours studying than any of my classmates, but it wasn't enough. Her idea of perfection became mine. At 13 years old, I started believing if I'm not perfect, I won't succeed. Many of us, we're sitting in this room today because we are very high achievers. Perfection, it's not an option for us. It's the North Star that we guide our lives by. Once I stopped trying to be perfect and gave myself permission to make mistakes, that's when things dramatically changed for me. Every sales skill you want to master begins first by breaking through those barriers. Because no skill will ever stick until your mind is ready to receive it. You keep investing in this training that doesn't move the needle because of a mental block called cognitive interference. It's when your old thoughts, old habits, and old ways of doing things start pushing back against the new. You do try to sell differently, but your mind, it keeps going back to what's familiar. So don't just rush to the skills. You might feel ready, but if you skip the first 2 steps, nothing will change long term. Your sales team, they're like a tree. The numbers, the revenue, the metrics, the quota, that's the fruit. But the root system, that's mindset, that's belief. You can't grow good fruit from sick roots. Too often, we try to fix the fruit. We tweak the scripts, we adjust the comp plans, we push harder. But true transformation happens underground, quiet, consistent. Because when the roots are healthy, the fruit takes care of itself.